Hello, good morning, welcome back to the channel. Right now it's 6 o'clock in the morning, the day after the storm. The yard ran out of water yesterday. They've been busy for the past couple of days. Since the storm was headed our way, people have been stocking up on water, so they ended up running out of water. I did bring them a truckload on Tuesday, and today is Thursday. Normally in 2 days they need water, but they never run out. So let's head to Jameson and get them a load of water. Alright folks, get the last of Jameson. Let's get out and connect this pipe. There wasn't much traffic on the road because we are under curfew till 12 o'clock this afternoon. The boss man called me last night and said they ran out of water, so I just came in early to get water for the yard, because I'm guessing they're still going to come in at 8 o'clock this morning to start work. Start it up. $6:30 in the morning, 9,000 gallons, and my initials. I don't know why they don't change the stick. Right there, right here. It's a lot of water. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They got a full cistern. So we are good. Now we wait 40 minutes to fill this truck because the pump here is very slow. Oh, it's very windy. So yesterday's storm wasn't bad. It did pass south of us. It was just a tropical cyclone. It's now a tropical storm. The storm is now located west of Puerto Rico, headed to the Dominican Republic. It is 60 miles per hour sustained winds, We are now monitoring another disturbance coming out of Africa. Right now it's right there, it's yellow. Now we got to monitor this next storm that's coming out of Africa. Hopefully it doesn't develop. If it does, shoot straight north and miss us. We've been 3 years without a major hurricane. Hopefully we don't get a major hurricane this year. So all we could do is sit back and pray and hope for the best. So let's wait for this truck to get filled. And then we'll be heading back to the yard. Alright folks, the truck is full. Let's head back to the yard. Alright folks, guess we're back at the yard. I'm gonna get out here and connect this pipe, fill the cistern back up. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.
Do it! Just do it!